welcome to your very own Music to Go class with PS Arts. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own drum. All you need are a few supplies that you should already have lying around your own house. Now that we've finished making our drum, let's look for a drumstick. Now, you could use anything as a drumstick. I'm using a chopstick. You could also use the eraser end of a pencil, or you could use a wooden spoon. When you're ready, join me for this rhythm. We're going to call this part the center. That's the part that you made with the balloon. And then we're going to call the edge the rim. Center, rim, center, rim, center, rim, center, rim, center, rim. Now, if you feel like you can join me in the challenge, we're going to do a new rhythm. It goes like this. Center, rim, center, rim, center, rim, center, rim, center, rim, center, rim. Nice job. If you need a minute to pause, go ahead and you can practice on your own. I'm going to teach you a song. It's an echo song, so just repeat after me. Are you ready? Oh, a milkshake, a sticky, sticky waffle, a mozzarella pizza. All the eggs are broken. That was really nothing. Let's all do it louder. Oh, a milkshake, a sticky, sticky waffle, a mozzarella pizza. All the eggs are broken. That was really nothing. Let's all do it softer. Oh, a milkshake, a sticky, sticky waffle, a mozzarella pizza.